Hey there, YouTube, and once again, thanks for tuning in and watching. Today, I decided to do a recap of my 2008 Sage Squared Football box break that I did a little while back. I'm going to show you guys the hits here, and the autos here. First up, we have a Mike Jenkins auto. Next, we have a Lima Swede and Jamal Charles. We have a Vernon Golston auto. Jordy Nelson. Kevin Smith. Malcolm Kelly and Alan Patrick dual auto. We have a Darius Bowman and James Hardy. Here's a Dennis Dixon auto. Next we have a Jacob Hester and Matt Flynn. Next we have another dual auto. It's Josh Johnson and Sam Keller. Here's a Chad Henne auto. Next we have a Lavelle Hawkins and Jason Rivers. Next we had a Steve Slayton and Elmer Schmidt. Next we have a Ryan Claddy auto. And we also had a Tashard Choice auto. And last we had a Darren McFadden and Rashard Mendenhall dual auto. Alright, thanks guys, and hope I see you guys soon. And don't forget to leave some comments for me. Thanks.